Alright, y'all. In this video, I'm making some copper acetate solution for electroplating copper. Now, I need this for a project coming up here recently, so I figured I'd do a video on it. And it's real simple to make. All it is vinegar, salt, a low voltage power source, and copper to strip the copper off of into the solution. Now, you can do this with zinc and nickel, I think, but I've never done it with zinc and nickel. I've just done it with copper. So this is real simple. And the power source I just got from an old LED Christmas light set from the Dollar Tree, and the batteries too. And it's mainly a waiting game, but I hope this helps someone with learning something new. Have fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you. Alright, the only thing we're going to need to make this copper acetate solution for copper electroplating is going to be vinegar, a little bit of salt, some copper plating, copper wiring. I just stripped some copper wire for this, a power supply, and for me, batteries. What you want to do, what I did here was just wire nutted my two sides to positive and negative on these wirings. You want to put one on one side, one on the other. Keep them on opposite sides from each other. Now, one of these sides is going to bubble when we do this, and that's going to be the side you need to remember, because that's going to be the side we hooked up to whatever we're plating. Alright, now we're going to fill up with vinegar. This is just plain old distilled white vinegar. Ooh, that stuff be smelling strong. Going to add us a little bit of salt. This is just to help it with the current. Give us a quick little stir. Get that salt up in there. Now we're going to add our batteries. Might come back to this. I can't do this one-handed. Alright, now we're just going to turn our cells on. As you can tell, this side over here, compare them. See how we're all bubbly? That's going to be the side we need to remember, because that's going to be the side that's going to be most important for us to remember for the next step. And as you can see, this is just a Dollar Tree LED light, just wire nutted to copper wiring on both sides. Now we're just going to set this out of sight, out of mind for a few hours until the solution turns blue. And once it turns blue, we'll have our copper acetate solution. I just woke up, it's been 8 hours, and this is what your solution should look like now. It should be like a light baby blue. Now then, for my test, all you're going to do is take your negative side loose, the one I told you that was bubbling, and you're going to wrap whatever you're going to electroplate in a copper wiring. You leave it kind of loose, and you're going to submerge it as far away from the positive as you can get it. Now, this nickel's been going for about 20 minutes. The nickel is normally silver, and you can see how it's bubbling down there. That means it's still good. So now I'm going to kill the power. See what we're looking like after 20 minutes. Yep. No more silver there. Got a little bit of silver still on the top because it wasn't fully submerged. But that's how we copper electroplate. So, I hope this helps someone learn something new. If it did, like and subscribe, and thank you. Something I did forget to mention is that this may put off some fumes. I don't really know for sure. I've never done it indoors. Anytime I mess with chemicals, I always work outside. So please work outdoors. And also make sure your power source is low voltage. You only want around 1 amp or so. So like I said, the little battery case or a phone charger or something like that, just check your ratings. You only want around one amp or less. So be safe, y'all. I hope this helps someone. Thank you.